ask me about the maintenance savings booklet.
What is the maintenance savings booklet entail?
Josh, what it is it's the best checking account you're ever going to have in your entire life. Okay? The booklet comes with a series of checks, all sorts of checks for all sorts of operations that you're going to have done to your vehicle. And here's why you're going to like this booklet better than any checking account you've ever had, because we make the deposits and you make the withdrawals. State inspections, we'll take care of them for as long as you own the car. First oil change, we pay for it. Okay? Saves you 70, 80, 60, whatever, bucks. Okay? And then from that point on, every time that vehicle is due for service, chances are there is a check you can use that will reduce the cost of that service. In fact, if you use them all, you'll save $2,000 over the life of that vehicle. When was the last time a car dealer offered you a $2,000 check, a checkbook with a deposit of $2,000?
Never.
All right, what's more effective, the way you did it or the way I did it?
The way you did it.
Okay, and did I ever tell you that I was part of the group that invented this loyalty advantage and maintenance checkbook? Yeah. Back in shoot. It might have even been in the 90s. It was a good idea. I don't know why I left them. Because it's one of the many mistakes